For hair professionals that know about this technology, or for hair professionals that don't know yet about this technology, the only way to add hair for your clients that keeps their existing hair safe, healthy, and growing, where they can run their fingers down to their scalp and feel their own scalp as if there's nothing there. There's a way that you can offer this technology in a very easy way, and that is a free website that has a video in it that shows all about this technology, and also has before and after pictures and testimonials, and actually has a shop section where you can go in, or your clients can go in and see all different options. How to fill in hair just in the front, how to fill in hair on the whole top, just in the back, just in the hairline, throughout the whole head. And this is for any texture of hair and for any degree of thinness. One method that will solve any client's hair problem, as opposed to having an arsenal of different techniques for your clients. Now you're going to have one, and it's the most advantageous because it's the only method that keeps your existing client's hair safe and growing. Now remember, if you don't know about this already, microstrand technology. This is a microstrand, a translucent sort of webbing that upon contact of the skin or the scalp, it disappears, all right? Maybe you could see it, it's a little hard to see. Then one human hair at a time is added onto it, and this is one example of the finished product. And when this is then custom made, and all you do is apply it, comb your hair, the client's hair through it, it'll disappear. It'll mold right to their head, and they will be able to wake up with full-time hair. Meaning, they wake up with full hair. They go in the shower with full hair. They shampoo with full hair. They do every activity. It's part of them. So imagine this. And now it's available to you for a limited amount of time and to a limited amount of hair professionals. We're giving away a free website that's personalized, meaning it's going to have your name on it, it's going to have your email and your phone number, your text within it. So all you do is share the website, and your clients will learn all about it, and your future clients also. This is sort of a no-brainer. Even if you hesitate about should you offer this or not, I challenge you. Here's what I mean. Get the free website. It doesn't cost anything. Get the free website and just share it a little with your clients and ask them if they would be interested in this. And you will see from that little test, everyone's going to say, when can I have it? Because there's nothing like this, because it's the only method and technology in the world that keeps your existing client's hair safe and healthy. The only method that you can't see or feel anything at all. And the only method that works on anybody with any hair situation. So all you have to do is click the button below to register and apply for the free personalized website.